God is our refuge and our strength, and an ever-present help in distress. Therefore we fear not, though the earth be shaken, and mountains plunge into the depths of the sea. There is a stream whose runneth gladden the city of God, the holy dwelling of the Most High. God is in its midst, it shall not be disturbed. God will help it at the break of dawn. The Lord of hosts is with us. Our stronghold is the God of Jacob. Come, behold the deeds of the Lord, the outstanding things he has wrought on earth.